Hello everyone, welcome to Divya Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Punjabi Pakora curry. It's a very famous dish and it's being consumed with rice. So for making curry, first of all we need to make pakoras. So let's start with the recipe of pakoras. The ingredients needed are chopped onion, thinly sliced chopped onions. This is 1 onion, 5 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan. And in masala, it's very simple. Half teaspoon of ajwain and 1 spoon of salt. Little oil for frying pakoras and water for making batter of pakoras. Okay, so first of all we need to make paste for pakoras. So we are adding water little at a time in basin. Mix it well so that there are no lumps. You need to make thick paste. And add masalas to it. Carom seeds, that is ajwain, and salt. Okay, the paste is ready. Now we will add onions to it, little at a time. Okay, now the batter for pakoras is almost ready. Meanwhile, we will heat up the oil for pakoras. So I will keep this oil for heating in my pan. Okay, so here's my pan. So put the oil for heating. Once the oil will be hot, we will drop pakoras in it slowly. Okay, let's check if oil is hot. It looks like oil is hot, but we can check it by dropping a piece of onion to it. Yes, it is hot. Let's take it out. And now we will put pakoras for frying. Take care while you are putting pakoras in oil because oil is very hot. So okay, now I have put 4 pakoras in it and we'll cook it on medium heat. Turn the pakoras to cook it out from second side. Wait. Okay, let's see. Yes, the pakoras are golden brown and they are ready. Let's take them out on our plate. Smelling very good. So all pakoras are ready. Now we will start preparing curry. So let's look at the ingredients. So this is besan, that is gram flour, 3 tablespoons. Coriander, finely chopped. Ginger, finely chopped. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Green chilies. In masalas you need jeera, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, hing powder, methi dana, that is coriander seeds, mustard seeds, kalonji, that is onion seeds, and salt. First of all, we need buttermilk, that is the main ingredient for curry. We will add whole of the besan into this curry, buttermilk, and mix it well. Add little water and mix it till all the lumps are gone. Okay, so here it's ready. You can also mix it with hand blender. It will be easier. Now we need to make tadka for curry. Okay, so this is the pan for cooking curry. We will add little oil to it. Let the oil heat up. And add dry masalas one by one. Add little jeera, kalonji, mustard seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, they should become little red in color. You can see. Add garlic to it and cook to make it golden brown. Now add green chilies. Garlic is almost ready. You can add ginger to it. Now add little water to it. And the buttermilk and besan we had mixed goes into the cooking pot. Now you may add turmeric powder, hing and salt. And let the curry boil. We need to continuously stir curry so that the lumps are not formed. You can add little more water so that curry is not very thick. avoid the lumps, you should stir it continuously in starting. At this stage, the curry looks more watery, but do not worry. As it will start boiling, it will get thicker because the besan will get cooked and curry will become thicker. So keep stirring and keep waiting till it starts boiling. So now you see the curry has started boiling. You need to keep it at low flame and let it boil for another 10 minutes. In between you can stir it so that the curry does not come out of a pot while boiling. Stir it at regular intervals and let it boil for another 10 minutes. Okay, so now 10 minutes have passed. You can just check the taste, and if you want to add some salt, you can add it as per your taste. At this stage, you can add pakoras. In boiling curry, we added pakoras and cook it for another 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute has gone. Now we can transfer it into the serving bowl and garnish it. So now we have transferred it to serving bowl. We will garnish it with little garam masala and coriander. So let's put little garam masala on it and the fresh coriander leaves. So our curry is ready and I'm sure you will love it. You can have it with jeera rice and enjoy. Bye bye.